Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to online classes. Today we will draw bird, B-I-R-D, bird. First of all you will put the date 10 December 2020. Then write down the classwork. After then write down the topic B-I-R-D, bird. Now let's start our picture. Now you will take a protector. Then put your finger on the protector and draw a half circle near the protector. Now you will match this dot with this dot. So this is the shape of protector. Now you will take any circle object like Vicks, cap of Vicks, and draw a circle. Now put a dot on 0 centimeter, 0 number and 2 centimeter. So this is the measurement 2 centimeter like this. And you will put the dot on 1 centimeter also in the middle. Now draw a 2 centimeter line. After draw a 2 centimeter line, you will match this 1 centimeter dot with this dot. Again I am repeating, you will take 2 centimeter measurement, then put 1 centimeter dot, after then draw 2 centimeter, then match this dot with this dot, and downside also you will match this dot with this dot. Now this is the beak of bird. After then you will take a circle scale, then draw a circle. 10 centimeter circle you will use, 10 centimeter circle you will use, and draw a circle. Then draw half circle in the full circle. So this is the eyes of the bird. After then erase the extra line. This is the extra line. Erase it. If you want, you can check. This is the distance 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter distance. This is 10 number circle. This is 2 centimeter line. After then you will put a dot. Put 1 number on the corner of this line. Now put 1 centimeter dot on 0 number. And put 0.5 centimeter dot also here, and same as you will put 1 centimeter dot here and 0.5 centimeter dot also, 0.5, and this is 1 centimeter dot. So there are 4 dots. Now draw a straight line, 4 centimeter line you will draw, same as 4 centimeter line here also. Now this is 4 centimeter line, this is also 4 centimeter line. Now draw 4 centimeter line in this direction. Now draw 4 centimeter line here also. After that take circle scale and draw half circle here. So this is look like this. Take this circle and match with this like this. Again you will match like this. So this is the wing of the bird. Now draw a legs. Now draw 4 centimeters landing line in the downside. So this is the leg of the bird. And after then draw A shape, and in the middle draw 1 line also. Now near this you will draw 3 centimeter line. Again you will draw A shape and draw 1 more line in middle also. Now from this dot you will put 1 centimeter dot, and from this dot you will put 1 centimeter dot here also. Now match this both dots together like this. After then take protector and put like this, draw like this, and here also draw like this. Near this circle you will draw one more circle. After then you will match with both like this. So this is the half circle. If you want, you can make with free hand also. Otherwise you can take the help with a protector. Now your picture is completed. Do practice. Thank you.